Allah, the Creator alone, to shahadahs to declare our faith, readers to remember before eating, sleeping, and traveling. To bring me guidance, the feeling as real are the four angels of Allah. Pray for Jabbar, and Isha every day. 6 articles of faith, guide your belief. 7 rounds of Tawbah on the Kaaba in Tawaf. Jannah has 8 gates for the righteous to enter. Jannah has 8 gates for the righteous to enter. 9th and 9th month is the month of fasting. 10 blessed days of Dhul Hijjah. The first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are so special. The 11 stars bowing in history. 12 months in the Islamic calendar. 12 months like Muharram and Ramadan in our calendar. 13 years in Makkah, the Prophet preached for 13 years in Makkah. 14 lunar stations, moon travels for 14 phases in its journey. Using 18 eyes of reflection, reflect on 15 verses to feel close to Allah. 16 steps of blue, find yourself with wood. 17 rockets, years of prophethood for Isa is a preach for 18 years with wisdom. 18 angels of Halal is preach for 18 years with wisdom. 20 protect verses for Allah's blessings. है बस आपके लिए।